So we're on Lamed Gimel Lamed Beis, and we can count up from the bottom of the Amud 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines up from the bottom of the Amud.
Okay. Lamed Gimel Lamed Beis, all right.
Bibitu achrei Moshe ad bo'o ha'ohela. And the Gemara is going to quote a machlokus now about whether or not Bnei Yisrael did the right thing. Rabbi Ami for Rabbi Yitzchak Nafka. They have a machlokus between these two Amorim. Chad Amar Lignai. It means that he bitu Elov, they saw Moshe, passing by, and he went out of his oil, and they saw some gnai. Chad Amar L'shvach, others say that this habata was meant as a positive habata. Chad Amar L'shvach, Mandi Amar L'gnai, Kidi Isa, we're going to see later on what the gnai is. But Mandi Amar L'shvach, and that's based on Chizkiah. Amar Chile Rabbi Chanina, Braid Rabbi Avo, Amar Rabbi Abo, Amar Rabbi Avdimi, Demin Chefa Chacham over Omeid Lefon of Arba Amos. When you see the Chacham from a distance of 4 Amos, you have to stand in front of him. Kevan Sha'avar, when he passes you, and he passes you by Arba Amos, Yoshev. Av Bezdin over, if he sees the head of the Bezdin, Omid Lefon below Enov, even if he sees him from a very far distance, he should stand up, and he continues to stand for him. Kevan Sha'avar Arba Amos Yoshev, until he passes him by 4 Amos. Nasi, that's an even greater chi of kibud. Omeid over, Omeid milfanim lo enov, ve'ena yoshev ad sheyeshev b'mkomo. So even though he sees him from a very, very far distance, like we said by the Av Bezdin, nevertheless he stands for him. But here, in the case of Nasi, were even more machmir, that you can't sit down until the Nasi takes his place. Shenemar, and that's what we learned from this pasuk, Bibitu achrei Moshe ad bo'o ha'ohela, that the people continued standing for Moshe even after he passed them until he sat in his place, because Moshe Rabbeinu was a Nasi. Now, the Mishnah says, Kol b'tzaseish man groma, men are chayev nashim p'turos. Lo azman groma, both men and women are obligated. What is at least a partial list of those mitzvahs that are time bound and women are exempt? Sukkah, Velulav, Shofar, Vitzitzis. Now, clearly, the first 3, but tzitzis, we're holding now that this man for tzitzis is beyom, because it says Varisam Oso, Velo Balayl. Says no tzitzis at night. And Rabbi Shimon and Menachos Daf Mem Gimel holds that there's no tzitzis at night, and we pass like Rabbi Shimon. Now the Ramban holds that according to Chachamim, Laila is man tzitzis, and therefore it's a mitzvah seisha ein azman grom, and therefore the Ramban takes the word tzitzis out of the girsa. And now we're up to Daf Lamed Dalid Amud Aleph.